Someone freaking got meow.
Meow. Wait, how do you do it again?
You wanna know?
Yeah, I want to meow.
How do I get it though? Like what do I have to fill out? Do I just join the call or do I just join the server and I get it?
Please tell me. Joe, please tell me you see what I'm seeing. Joe, please tell me you see.
I got this.
No, not at all.
I love Stadium.
Wait.
I love Stadium.
Player standing.
The new DPS I played for the first time today. Not in Stadium, but just is she even in Stadium? I don't even know. I play her regularly. She was kind of fun. I was bad at her, but she was fun. Her movement's insane. Her movement is crazy.
Go so far. Skill covers the rest.
La, 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 la.
She has brain rot too.
No, it's stuck in my head. Kendrick Lamar.
I don't think that's Kendrick Lamar.
Let's
No,
wrap
no.
this open.
I get to play another mode. No, I'm talking about. It's
I thought you were offended by my phone.
no.
Reload.
Oh, ah!
Barrier
No.
created.
Bye bye.
Yes.
Carrier is killed.
Spike down mid.
Oh, are you getting label? But no blip. Don't blip though.
Dude, for real.
I'm trying. It's uploading clips on Metal, and I can't do shit until they're all uploaded.
Blah, 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 blah. Label.
I need the RAR.
Type shit, brother.
It's the only cool one. I need one that says, yeah.
Pick it up.
Last player standing. Defenders win.
Easy. Oh, I almost just posted his thing. Oh.
ASAP Rocky should quit making music and let Rihanna take it over.
Oh.
Truthfully. He's not gonna release another good album since that Angels one or Demons. I can't remember what it's called. Should have stayed his ass in jail.
Match found.
What?
Wait, I look-y want to play Mining Tycoon.
Meme.
That's
We
a-
can do that.
You
Yeah, we can
wanna
do that.
get on a Mining Tycoon? Do you wanna?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Wait, before we do that, are you gonna be on for a little bit?
I'll be on for like another 30 minutes.
How
probably.
juicy.
Okay, I might. Pedro, are you on stream?
Very juicy. Yes.
She's on. Don't say
Um,
nothing bad.
Yeah,
How
no, I'm gonna
big
type it because I don't
is
have
this
Pedro in
juicy?
trouble.
Say that again.
Okay, but not.
How big is this juicy?
Imagine like a full-grown daddy elephant. That's one cheek times 2 is the other cheek.
I'm following.
And then a water a waterfall in between. Whoa.
Oh my
whoa.
god.
Oh my
Oh.
Oh my,
Whoa.
what is happening? I don't like this.
Oh, I should probably pick. Sorry, I was so
Close.
infatuated by how big and juicy.
Yeah. Wait, do you like furries?
It depends.
You're playing a furry character, so I was just curious.
Shit. You found me out.
When we get engaged. No! No! That game was gonna be so. That game was gonna be interesting.